Good day, ma'am. We are from Group 7, batch 2019, class 1. We want to present about facility layout and production investment cost. Next. This is our team member. They are Bilal Al-Kautsar, Dimas Aditya, Indah Beauty, Lala Hayati, and Mahuda Islami. Next. This is the list of content presentation. The first one is layout of production floor. Second one is layout of office. The third one is layout of factory. The fourth one is factory template layout, and the last one is production cost. Next. First, we talk about layout of production floor. The first stage in creating a production floor plan is determining the amount machine required for the area and from to chart of the layout material handling procedures. The next stage is layout creation, which is accomplished by inputting the total area and from to chart data into Microsoft Excel Craft algorithm. The system generates 5 layouts, which are then compared to determine which template has the lowest cost. Finally, the manufacturing floor AID is determined. Next. This one is the initial layout. There are 14 department and each department have area itself and have cost itself. Next. This one is the first layout, the second layout, and the third layout. For the first layout, we switch department 2 and 5. For the second layout, we switch department 3 and 8. And the third layout, we switch department 9 and 13. For the first, second, and third layout have total cost itself. Next. This next one is fourth layout and the fifth layout. For the first layout, we switch department 8 and 2. For the last layout, which is fifth layout, the total cost is 8,045. Next. And this is the final ID of production floor. It has done well with 5 iterations, which have significantly reduced the cost until 7,713 and from 5,758 with the final algorithm showing the lowest cost. Therefore, choosing the last layout, which is the 5 iteration. Next.
Next is layout of office. The first input used to produce the layout is the available space for office equipment and the interaction between department activities or RRC. Here the RRC of office. The director room and secretary room have 7, 2, 3, and 5. Next is initial layout of office. The closest rating of initial layout of office is 368. Office area data input can be automatically calculated with total area 435.25 and average area 43.5, standard deviation 46.7. We enter the ARC for here for a layout office. Next is first layout with score 0.38, second layout office with score 0.58, third layout office with score 0.66. Summary of evaluation office is has a agency score, reality score, and product movement with time per layout 3.66. And we choose the best layout data for office is layout 3 because the R scores value closest 1. And here is AD of office layout from the block plan result. And next is summary of AAD for office with different color, and the total office area is 435.25. Next.
The next is a layout of factory. Next. The first input used to contrast the layout is the amount of space required for plan facility and the activity relationship between department or area. Plan's layout design will be developed utilizing the block plan program. Before beginning to create the layout, the basic data required is the name of each department, its region, and their link to one another. Next. And this is the initial layout factory. We have the 10 department and we have the class rating 500 for. Next. And this is the factory area data input. We have 10 department also, and the total area 5,554. And for factory activity relation chart layout input, we make a 10 relationship chart. Next. This is the first layout factory. We get the score 0.64, and the second layout factory we get the score 0.80. And the third layout of factory, we get the score 0.78. For the summary of evaluation score, we get the best layout is second layout, and time per layout is 4.58. Next. And this is the best layout data for factory and AAD for factory layout. Next. And the last is a summary of AAD for factory. We get the total company area 5,554.
Template layout. Next. Factory template layout. We use AutoCAD to design the template. AutoCAD is a software that have been used by many engineers to design from engine to and architecture design because it has so many supporting features. Next. This is the factory template that we made from AAD factory. It has 10 area, and in the office section, it has another 10 area that we got from ADD office. We use 1/100 scale. Some of its feature was it has 2 bedroom area, 1 in office and 1 in factory area. Also, 4 parking area for container, active for parking for motorcycle, and 10 parking area for the car. Next. The material handling equipment is used to transport heavy load over short distance, such as within a factory section or department, material accumulation site, construction site, and storage, and unloading location. Material moving machine can only move large amount of material over short distance, and material can move vertically, horizontally, or in combination of both direction. Next. We use data from previous project that we are both qualitative and quantitative, but because we only move material on the production floor, we use the aggregation of product and the FTC from two chart for production, as well as the generated layout that graph has improved to the optimum and lowest cost. Next. This is the table for the material handling cost calculation. We use graph method, optimal layout for the production floor.
And the last is production cost. Refer to the cost a company incurs for manufacturing a product or providing a service that generates revenue for the company. But the first is proportion of direct and indirect material. To begin, we must calculate material handling per unit divided hour. We need demand data because our products such as AGGB, AGG, and ABG have weekly demand of 140 and 185 and 175 respectively. Next. And here's direct and indirect material cost product. The direct or indirect material cost has been mentioned, and the total cost per hour compute depending on the component required for each product. For the direct, we get from each part on product turn, while the indirect material from the jigs and fixture, such as draft nail, washer flat, wood bead, string, label, latch square, and latch square thinner, and glue. Next. Here's the direct and indirect labor cost calculation. Labor costs include all costs associated with labor. These include payroll, tax, and insurance. Work is classified into two types, direct and indirect labor. As a result, the expenditure occur into two categories, direct labor and indirect labor. Direct labor costs comprise the cost of paying employees on the manufacturing floor, while indirect labor costs include the cost of paying employees in the office. Next. And here's the investment on machinery and equipment for factory. For the machinery investment like cut-off saw, blenders, color saw, jointer, descent, press, pivot, and bench table. And then for the investment on office equipment like desk, chair, table, board, projector, and so on. Next. And here's the other cost or expense. The other cost expenditure will occur over the course of a month and an hour. The table contains the specifics of the cost list. Assume there are 12 months in a year, 20 days in a month, and 8 hours in a day, and other factors that must be considered in terms of expenditure. In this scenario, we're estimating monthly and hourly expenditure. After calculating additional expenditure, the conclusion is 31,030,000 rupiah in cost per month and 193,938 in cost per hour. Next. And this is the production cost per unit product. After calculating the individual cost and expenditure in the preceding section, we get the overall manufacturing cost per unit product as given in the table. Direct cost is comprised of direct material, direct labor, and material handling cost. For indirect cost, we have indirect material, indirect labor, depreciation, and other charges in our business, such as telephone, jailbreak bag, paper, drink water, and Wi-Fi. And the next. I think that's all for our group, and thank you for the attention.